Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you edit videos quickly and easily. It offers a wide range of features, including automatic scene detection, smart trimming, and video effects. In this video, we'll give you a complete overview of Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool, including its features, benefits, and how to use it. We'll also show you how Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool can be used to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Features of Zeroscope: automatic scene detection, smart trimming, video effects, text overlays, music and sound effects, transitions, export in a variety of formats. Benefits of Zeroscope: easy to use, time-saving, create professional-looking videos, no prior video editing experience required. Use cases of Zeroscope: create social media videos, create marketing videos, create educational videos, create product videos, create personal videos. How to use Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool. 1. Import your video footage into Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool. 2. Use the automatic scene detection feature to identify the different scenes in your video. 3. Use the smart trimming feature to trim your video clips to the perfect length. 4. Add video effects, text overlays, music, and sound effects to your video. 5. Add transitions between your video clips. 6. Export your finished video in a variety of formats, such as MP4, MOV, and AVI. Conclusion: Zeroscope Video Editing AI Tool is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that can help you create professional-looking videos in minutes. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create social media videos, marketing videos, educational videos, product videos, or personal videos. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.